The truth is we don't have any competitors that actually do specifically what we do. You know, we're licensed general contractor, licensed electrical contractor, our owner's an electrical engineer, we hire RF experts, project managers with 40 plus years experience. I think the really smart companies that we work with, they were starting to notice that, hey, when we hire RLS, all of this stuff comes with it.
RLS has always, since our inception, we have acted as an extension of our customer.
And we know what things are supposed to cost, how long it's supposed to take, what the scope should be, what the quality. We're very easily able to maintain a budget, and more often than not, we're able to introduce some value engineering that saves a significant amount of money.
Our record so far in our history, 100% on budget, 100% on time. The largest project we ever did was 6 properties in 6 months. That was 16 million square feet. So that's a pretty impressive timeline. I don't think anyone's ever done that, but RLS accomplished it on time and on budget.
We could honestly take a piece of dirt and turn it into a hub for like the most advanced technology. RLS has, created an extensive network of relationships, and it allows us to give our customers the best price possible.
They sign the right contracts, they get the right connectivity, and they're future-proof. We're being asked to do more and more all the time by our customers, and so therefore we're doing all we can as fast as we can, as safe as we can, as intelligently as we can.
We want to make sure when we leave that someone will come in afterwards and they can say RLS. We want to put our name on everything.